The Galaxy A05s, Samsung's budget-friendly device from 2023, is now officially receiving the stable Android 15-based One UI 7 update. Originally launched in September 2023 with Android 13, the Galaxy A05s is taking a big leap forward. This new update marks its second major Android version upgrade, bringing along the latest Android 15 features and Samsung's sleek One UI 7 interface. The update arrives with firmware version A057F XXU9DY5 and weighs in at around 2.6 gigabytes. It also brings the May 2025 Android security patch, ensuring your device stays protected. Currently, the rollout is underway in Vietnam and Thailand, but it's expected to expand to more regions very soon. If you're in either of these countries and haven't received a notification yet, here's how to check manually. Go to Settings, Software Update, Download and Install. One UI 7 brings a host of improvements, starting with a cleaner, more refined visual design. Expect smoother animations, streamlined app transitions, and more intuitive navigation. Samsung has also enhanced privacy controls, improved notification management, and introduced better app permission settings. You'll also notice enhanced battery performance, UI polish across system apps, and better integration with Galaxy services. For a budget device, the Galaxy A05s is getting the flagship treatment with this Android 15-based update. If you've already received it, drop a comment and let us know your experience. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more Samsung updates and Android tips. See you in the next one.
Hold me close till I get up.